Now, on the 21st of April this year, the centre announced a new liberal vaccination policy or a new liberal vaccine policy wherein states can buy 50% of the stock directly from vaccine makers in the free market. This especially for the 18 to 45 age category. Now, documents show that the centres actually fix specific quotas of how much vaccine the Delhi government, for instance, can purchase from manufacturers for the month of June. So, is this liberal vaccine policy then just a false promise? Arvind's been tracking the details of this story. Arvind Gunasekar joins us live. Arvind, this entirely contradicts the liberalized vaccine policy claim if the government is going to go ahead and set quotas for how much vaccine a state can procure from the free market.
Yeah, Rishika, the government on April 21st had announced this liberalized vaccination policy with effect from May 1st, wherein the state governments can procure vaccines directly from the vaccine manufacturers. In fact, in this particular policy, 50% of the domestic production has to be given to the central government, and the remaining 50% can be procured by the state governments and also the private hospitals directly from the vaccine manufacturers. After this particular policy was notified, several state governments approached the vaccine manufacturers for the direct procurement of vaccines, let it be both Covaxin and also Covishield. And as per the direction from the central government, all the state governments already made an advance payment for the entire purchase order. But what we are being told is that though the state governments made an advance payment for the entire purchase order, they are not getting the vaccine what they had asked for. In fact, what we are being told is that even the center is taking the call and then distributing the vaccines based on their own allocation formula. Accordingly, we have also accessed two particular letters that have been written by the Union Health Ministry to the Delhi government regarding the supply of Covaxin and also Covishield. These two vaccines, this particular letter pertains to a direct procurement by the Delhi state government. Delhi state government had approached both Serum Institute and also Bharat Biotech for the procurement of vaccine for the age group of 18 to 44 directly. But what we are being told is that as per the centre's direction, only 92,000 Covaxin doses and also almost 3 lakh Covishield doses alone will be provided to the state of Delhi for the month of June. So that's where the state governments are saying that if we are making the payment from our own end and if you are placing the purchase order and if you call it as a liberalized policy, then why are you allocating, why are you intervening, and then why are you doing your own allocation for the state? So this is something many state governments have raised this question, and what we are also being told is that the centre has filed an affidavit before the Kerala High Court detailing this particular process, where they said that this allocation will also be handled by the central government based on the pro rata state-wise population.